Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Averedinta Delia Trisnanda. I'm from Tida University. I'm in English Education Department and now I'm in 3rd semester. I made this video to fulfill an extensive reading project. So today in this video I will tell you about the first is my experience of using context to understand the article that I've read before, and then the second is the context of the article that I like most. So for me, my experience of using context to understand the difficult word is really helpful, because by knowing the context of the article or of the sentence or of the paragraph that I read, it will be more easier for me to understand the meaning of the difficult word. Although perhaps my understanding is not necessarily correct, but by understand the context of the text or of the paragraph allows me to imagine what is the words mean or the paragraph mean. Okay, I will give you example of using context in my article that I read. The first is in the article with the title "What is an interview definition, objective, types, and guideline?" There is a sentence that say, "It helps to ascertain the accuracy of the provided fact and information about the candidate." I think in this sentence, the difficult word is ascertain because I don't know what it means. And then by knowing the context, by found a context word that is accuracy and fact, it helps me to understand that ascertain is mean make sure. Make sure the accuracy of the information and the fact about the candidate. The second example is in the article entitled "How to Introduce Yourself at a Job Interview." There is a sentence that say, "The core of your response should focus on the key elements in your background that will enable you to excel in the job which you are interviewing. Create an elevator pitch and practice it so you are comfortable describing yourself." Okay, I think in this sentence, the difficult word is elevator pitch because I don't really hear the word, but by knowing the context of the article, of the sentence, and of the paragraph, I can know that elevator pitch is means a brief or a sentence that we have to say when we are attend an interview. That is, we have to get the attention from the interviewer to make them interesting with ourselves. And the last example is in the article with the title "7 Steps to Prepare for Your Job Interview." In this article, there is a sentence that say, "Any work experience or skill you have listed on your resume are a fair game to talk about." Your resume is all the interviewer has to go by in order to get to know you. They may pick things out of it and ask you to elaborate. And in that sentence, the difficult word is fair game. And by knowing the context again, which is backed up by an explanatory phrase, I can understand that fair game here is have meaning that it is okay to talk about any work experience or skill that have you list in your resume, and it is not about game in a real life, but it's explained that it is fine and it is okay to talk about it. Okay, I think that is. And we move to the second thing. The second thing is I will tell you about the article that I've read before that I like most. So I've done for it 5 articles, that is 7 steps to prepare for your job interview, dress appropriately for interview, how to introduce yourself at a job interview, what is an interview definition, objective, type, and guideline, and the last is 10 ways to calm your interview anxiety. And from the article that I've read before, I think it's interesting with the article with the title 10 ways to calm your interview anxiety. I love this article because I think the article is very unique about anxiety interview. I was thrilled to read the article because most of article about interview is just about dress, clothing, about question that may arise, how to make a resume, and etc. But with the title of the article that is about anxiety at the interview, this article it's made me realize that the issue of the article of the anxiety is have to take note, or we have to know about mentally when we are going to an interview. uh, because when we are physically is ready to for an interview, but our mentally is not ready or damaged or breakdown, I think it's our preparation that we have done before, it just not working or not effective. So with this article, I made my understand to how to handle an interview anxiety, and of course this article should be read by many people, especially when you are going to attend an interview. Okay, I think that is enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.